Daffodils, poetry by Bilquis Amar, seemed like it will be the world forever sad, dull, and snow covered. Daffodil then I saw emerge during cold and dark winter ahead, cheerful flower with life popped up with new beginning, hope, and good luck, reminding me that change is too much around the corner. Face it, warm up, start the new. It's never too late. Look for good things and appreciate feelings of rebirth, hope, and joy. Move forward and go enjoy. Real spring arrived everywhere. Daffodils dropped, leaves began to wither. But during sad, lonely, silent days, daffodils emerged to light up ways.